Good morning. Water pump hose replacement. ae101 trueno. Carries a 4A FE Toyota engine. Let's get started. The tools that you will need for this job: 12 spanner or 12 socket, your discretion. Pliers to remove the clamps on the holes on the back of the engine, or a flat bit or Phillips, depending on what type clamp you have. Okay. Now let's see if we can see what it is. Okay. Now first you need to remove these bolts. There's two bolts here with the 12. Also this bolt here is a 10, which controls the dipstick where you check the oil. And then you see we have two clamps on each side of the hose. 1, 2. Okay, let me get my tools and we'll be back to work shortly. Here, right, these are the tools here you will need. Pliers, flat bit knobby, because I have on flat bit screws on my clamps and water pump, so I have to change those. 12 socket, 10 spanner, no flat bit just in case. Okay. Affected part, gasket on the metal water pump hose, which is causing the drip leak. So we reseal the area and we'll go again from there. We'll be back again. Okay, we have the pump back in. The pipe back on. Then seal with the silicone. 12 bolts reinstalled. Now to tighten up and tighten the bottom clamp.